If you're over 60 and still relying on eggs alone to protect your muscles, you could be losing strength every single day without realizing it. After 60, muscle loss speeds up. It doesn't knock on the door. It quietly steals your balance, your stability, and eventually your independence. And here's the scary part. Many normal foods people eat every morning are actually making it worse. Yes, eggs contain protein, but if they're fried in butter, paired with processed meats like bacon or sausage, or eaten without fiber and antioxidants, they can increase inflammation and strain your heart. And inflammation is one of the silent drivers of muscle weakness in older adults. Your body now needs more than just protein. It needs nutrients that fight inflammation and help your muscles actually use that protein. Here's the surprising upgrade: guava. This simple fruit is loaded with vitamin C, even more than oranges, which supports collagen production for muscles and joints. It's rich in antioxidants that protect aging muscle cells from breakdown. And the fiber helps your body absorb nutrients more efficiently. Now pair guava with Greek yogurt or a handful of nuts, and you create a powerful muscle-supporting combo that's easier to digest than heavy, greasy breakfasts. Also watch out for these silent muscle killers: sugary cereals that spike blood sugar, processed deli meats that increase inflammation, deep-fried foods that slow recovery. After 60, building muscle isn't about eating more food, it's about eating smarter food. Protect your strength now.